This time last year, vaccines were approved for select individuals, including frontline healthcare workers.
IU Health Methodist Hospital became the first in the city to receive Pfizer's vaccine, administering nearly 200 vaccines the first day the clinic opened.
WRTV's Nikki DeMentri checks in with the first healthcare workers in Indianapolis to get vaccinated.
I'm ready to rock and roll this bad boy.
December 16th, 2020.
An emotionally charged, amazing day. You know, at the time, of course, we all said the same thing. It was a light at the end of a tunnel. You know, we're still in the tunnel.
It was a monumental day for these two healthcare workers who became the first two in Indianapolis to receive the COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine.
Having that hope of getting that vaccine and going in a step in the right direction. There's no other way to describe it except just pure excitement.
Joe Makrovich is an ER nurse at Methodist. He also works upstairs in an intensive care unit where COVID-19 patients he treated in the emergency room are sometimes placed on a ventilator.
Our hospitals are overcrowded. Our ratios are through the roof right now. They're not what they used to be. You know, we're just seeing more patients every single day.
Frustrating, challenging, tiring, all words Makrovich uses to describe the reality of COVID-19 in December of 2021. It's some of the same words the hospital's ER medical director uses too.
Please help us, help you, help each other.
Getting vaccinated was personal for Dr. Steve Rumpf. He lost his father to the virus.
There's many of us that have lost people to this pandemic, and there's many more. They're going to lose more people. I don't wish that on anybody.
Rumpf says in his career, he's never seen the ER look like this.
Things are rough, in all honesty. We're very full. Other hospitals are full. We're trying to get creative so that we can still accommodate the sickest of the sick patients.
I asked these healthcare workers what they hope to see a year from now, 2 years after their first vaccinations.
I would hope that at least half the people who aren't vaccinated now are now vaccinated, and hopefully by then that other half who didn't get vaccinated had gotten COVID and lived and were fine and have some sort of immune response.
I hope we're at a steady state with this, right? And we're not seeing these surges.
Do you still have hope?
I do, absolutely.
Why?
That's a tough question. I'd like to believe there's still good out there in humanity and people are going to do the right thing and get vaccinated and go back to being normal.
Working for you, Nikki DeMentri, WRTV.
And according to the State Health Department, a team deployed through FEMA consisting of members from the U.S. Navy are expected to start assisting team members like the two you just heard from at IU Health Methodist Hospital on Christmas Eve. Earlier this month, the National Guard was deployed to the hospital to help during the COVID-19 surge.